So we as teachers have heard buzzwords coming all around: 21st century learning, getting students set up for careers that are not even available yet. But one thing that is evident is that we need video editing skills within our students, no matter the field. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing three tips of how to bring video into your classroom and to help you knock down any myths that you may have or preconceived notions of video editing in the classroom. Check it out. Tip number one is it takes a lot of time. Yes, you got to be okay with investing time, and it doesn't have to be big chunks, big projects. It's little projects coming in and out for your students. Just like any routine that we do as teachers at the beginning of the year, mid-year, or bring a new concept in, routines are going to be key for success. So be okay with investing time and start small. Number two, you already have a camera. I actually started with my own iPhone. It was an iPhone 7 back in 2017. And yes, I was the one who controlled all the editing, but my students loved the getting ready for that day we were gonna record. So if you need to start out small, start out with what you got. I also had an iPad, and then I moved on to a camera later on. And tip number three is how to incorporate it with your standards. Believe it or not, under the ELA standards for Common Core, there's in the writing section, it is whatever your grade level is, point A. That is the standard for multimedia in showing your comprehension of the material. So if you need that as a backup of how to justify video in your classroom, there you have it. It is the writing standard, and I'll have it down here below. Now, if you haven't signed up for Canva for Education, go ahead and click that video up top. I show you how to get a free account with your school email, and it's also bringing you more access to editing tools for content creating, like posters or Instagram posts for your students, but also they have just launched a video editor, and it is free. And in next week's video, I'm going to be teaching you the basics of how to edit, how to record yourself, and how to export that video. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.